In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you 3 ways that you can fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we now need to head over to our settings. From here, what we now need to do is we want to go down to Wi-Fi, and then you want to click on the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi that you are using. So if we click on this, what you will now notice is that there is an option for low data mode. You need to make sure that this is toggled off. The second thing we can do is go over to our settings. We now need to scroll down until we see the option for screen time. And then from here, scroll down and then select content and privacy restrictions. Select this, and then what you can do now is you can disable the content and privacy restrictions option right here. The third option that we have got is to head over to settings. Select Wi-Fi, select the eye icon at the side of your Wi-Fi, and here is where you will now be able to select Forget This Network. Once you click on Forget This Network, you will then be able to join the network again, which will refresh all of these settings inside your Wi-Fi and allow your iPhone to connect properly. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.